Welcome to the Independence Intergalactic Speedway, where you'll have to set your strategy and control your speed.
Hello, everybody. I'm the Oregon Diecast guy, and this today is Oregon Diecast Racing. All right, let me show you what I have going on here today, folks. I'm doing some sanding on these wheels. As you can see, I already started a little bit with my little sander here. Then I'm going to hit them with some graphite. Make sure they're all lubed up and ready to go. I'm getting them pretty smooth, and I'm going to hit them with, I've got 1500 sandpaper there. I have up to 3000, so I'll see what I get up to on that. But I'm going to go ahead and polish these nails too with this polishing compound here, and then I'm going to clean it with the wheel. Anyway, that's what we have going on right now. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Alright, guys. I have the wheels somewhat sanded down. Now I'm going to apply some graphite to the outside of the wheels to cut down on friction. Matter of fact, Butterfingers. Get that like that. And then I have my little pipe cleaner. Stick right down in the hub. Alright, I'm going to hit all four wheels like that. And then I'm going to hit those axles and get those all dusted up. Alright, guys, we'll have it ready for tomorrow. But that's what it looks like for now. Alright, let's see how they spin. Pretty good. Pretty good. Got some spinners there. Hopefully it's good enough for a win. Anyway, that's it for now. Logan's working on the rest of the paint, and I'll slap these on tomorrow, and he'll be ready for his meeting tomorrow night. Oh yeah, these are nice and smooth. I'll hit them up again in the hubs. Look at that. Oh yeah, we ready to go. We ready to go. Let me try this one. Get all four of them. Oh yeah, these are good spinners. Oh yeah. Hit them with a little bit. There. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. See a little poof of smoke. Let me know that I have it in there. Look at that. Wow. Spinners. We're going to get them, Logan. We're going to get them. There we go. Ooh, this one don't sound good. Yeah, I don't like the way that sounds. Don't like the way that one sounds. Here we go. All right. That's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the bag. And wait for Logan and Shelby to get done with paint. And then we'll be ready to race. Alright guys, I just thought of something. I'm going to make sure I got the graphite all the way in these wheels. So here we go. I just put some on the on a little buffer. Gonna get all these really good. Get that graphite down in there. Bad boy is spinning. It's spinning. Still spinning. Alright, that's one. All right. Yeah, those bad boys are nice and shiny. All right, that's it, man. We'll see how it works out. It's the first time doing a derby car since I was 10, so. And old Reckless Reggie did most of that. All I did was paint. But anyway, we're giving it our best shot, guys. That's wheel and axle polishing for the Pinewood Derby car. Hello, everybody. I'm the Oregon Diecast Guy, and this today is Oregon Diecast Racing. All right, folks, this is the paint job that Logan put on it. He's got the kit car all ready to go. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and repolish the axles in the wheels. I thought of this last night in my sleep. Just going to put the axle in here and let it spin on the polishing compound. And then I'll do the same on a clean clean piece of buffing material and clean it up like I did before. Anyway, I'm dropping stuff. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead. He's got to have his meeting is at 6, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep this real quick. It's like 4 o'clock. Make sure these rims or these wheels fly. I want them to fly, and this is way better than what I was doing yesterday. Get it real good right now. Oh yeah. You turn that up some. There we go. Super buff. Alright, I'll do that for the next 3 and then we'll clean them up. But anyway, that's where we're at, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my wheel insertion tool and get it all set up for him. But that's it for now. Alright guys, I have to say that I'm much happier with this, the results of this. I think it's going to be pretty fast. We're getting a good burn on these too. Getting all that. I had it sitting down. There, it's better like that. Make sure I get where that hub is. Look at that bad boy. Woo! Tell me that ain't polished, guys. Tell me that ain't polished. We're gonna fly down the track. Oh yeah. Alright, so now I have the next 3 to do, and we'll get the axles and wheels on the car. Alright guys, now I'm burning graphite into the plastic wheels. I call it burning because I know it's the wheels are getting hot and it looks like it's burning, and you see how shiny they are afterwards. I was doing them down in the garbage basket, but kind of weird holding it like this. I don't want it to fly out of my hand like a top. She's a spinner. Look at how shiny that is. Oh yeah, we're gonna fly. That's a gyro right there. We're gonna fly. Alright guys, I almost forgot to make a video on how I got these other wheels in. I'm like, dang, I wasn't shooting. But anyway, I got the Pro Derby tool right here. What this does is it aligns, it's got a groove in here, alright, that fits in this groove right here. Alright, slide it all the way up against here with your thumb, and I've got a nail driver or puller, whichever one I need it to do, right here, and you just take it like that, push it in. Once I get it in, I just make sure that it's nice and tight on there. All right. Ready to go. Look at that bad boy spinning freely. All right. All right, folks. Here's our derby car. It's finito. We had Logan put the finishing touches on it yesterday. You can see he painted it all up, painted the windows, top of the windows yellow to give it a little bit more definition. Looks great. Got the weights all in. I taped this up right here so that I didn't get it off. They didn't, I didn't know what kind of how they were gonna be spraying the car. But yeah. Ooh. And we had one wheel off the ground. Look at that, guys. See that wheel not spinning? That's how we want it. We want all the other ones on the ground, but that one right there. Oh yeah. I'm glad I didn't have to do nothing special for that one. But yeah, that's it, baby. We're ready to roll. Ready to rock and roll. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think we got a winner. Look at that. That turned out great. I love it. I love it. Anyway, I hope it's a winner. Hope it's a winner. We bring home a trophy. Anyway, that's it for my Pinewood Derby project for now. We'll have an update when we actually race. So thank you guys for embarking on this new journey for me, or with me. And yeah, stay tuned in. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, because I could use some more subscribers. Anyway, love y'all. Thanks for joining in. I'm the Oregon Diecast Guy, and I'm signing out for Oregon Diecast Racing. See, I almost got ahead of myself. Peace, guys.
Many thanks, Nano.